Well, I'm going through some lace today, and I've done a thing and started this YouTube channel, so welcome to my channel. I am organizing my lace today, and thought I would take the moment to just introduce and, a little bit about lavender and lace. Isn't that pretty? My lace was all a mess in a bucket, so I thought I'd organize it and make these nice little cards to keep it all organized. I do card making. I've done card making for several years. I've done junk journaling for a little less, but scrapbooking for even longer than card making. As long as I can remember, I've always wanted to do that craftier stuff. I make all of my family and my husband's families their birthday cards, anniversary cards, anything like that I generally make. And I got interested in doing junk journaling not too long ago. And so I thought I would give it a go. And let me get this pinned, and then I will show you my most recent completed one. See how beautiful that is. It's a beautiful way to de-stress and decompress. I have made this for a friend of my mother's who has cancer. And I just wanted to cheer her up. I'm hoping that in the future I can, sell these and encourage other people. This one is made out of lunch sacks, and I've just stuffed it with all sorts of stuff. The little door opens with little magnets. All of these have little inserts, like this card comes out. It has detailed and lace around it. It just tucks in this little pocket, all these little tuck pockets. Most of these things pull out. This opens. This card comes out. All these places where you can journal. Just do a quick flip through of some of the stuff that makes me happy as I create, and I hope other people get inspiration as well. Just love these little things that tuck in, and hopefully she enjoys it and it brings her some encouragement. This pulls out. The only thing I have not completed with this is tea and coffee stained paper. I made these little tuck-in things, a little swing, little tuck pocket here. This comes out and it's removed. A little notebook. Teacup. Journaling on the other side. These are made out of coffee filters. This is just one of those little things that I find little scraps of things here and there, and I like to create, and this is what came out of this one. This one is a little notebook that actually slides out. Tea stained paper. Just reminding everyone that there is a little beauty in this world, even though it may seem like there isn't. These will become with a clasp, and then I'll be working on a music notebook and other sorts of things, even trying to conceive journey notebook, because I know that a lot of times that is a heartache in a lot of women's lives, is trying to conceive and the hardness of that. So hopefully I can keep you guys all updated, and I'll make little shorts as I go on of little things that I'm doing with these. But for right now, this is where we got started. Hope to see you guys all back on my channel. Thanks.